Would be to have a dream. I'm Shamla, founder and CEO of cSoft Technologies. We are creating better healthcare together. We work with hospitals to create a positive and personalized healthcare experience for their patients. We are like technology partner for various hospitals. We solve their tech problems, enable their teams, different teams at the hospital location with training and support. So there's a lot of data around us today. Anything that we do, any mobile phone or this thing. So data is like the new oil, they say, right? So there's a lot of potential, there's a lot of usage, but what you derive out of it or what kind of insights you can get from that, that is really valuable in running a business or understanding how your users are. There's a lot of things that you can do with data itself. So that's something that interests me, to say how you can make decisions using the data that you're collecting. cSoft, I usually take things as they come. So I just didn't pass up the opportunity to say no. So back in 2013, after I'd come back from the US, one of my friends reached out, who was looking out for offshore development support. So I said, okay, it's now or never. So I was working in another organization. I said, if I don't, there's an opportunity to start on my own. So I took that and then started cSoft. It's been an interesting journey. We've been learning how to make products. So that's something new. So the biggest challenge that I've seen is to speak up. Yeah. You can't really solve for it or prepare for it. You just have to learn through it. In terms of challenges or blockers that have been in my life, I think I've had a supportive family. Both at my parents, they supported me in whatever decision I took. Of course, they do have their what do I call their apprehensions, right, on letting a girl go and go to a new country, go alone. You're single, she's just figuring it out. There were people who said, why don't you get her married off way early? So they also stood up for me. So first thing was, I stood up for myself. I said, no, I want to have a career. Right? I want to do something with my life. And they supported me through that. The first thing would be to have a dream. Okay. So have something that you want to do, right? Instead of just doing what others are expecting you to do. Put in that effort to learn something more than just saying, this is my dream and somebody take me there, right? Put in that effort to skill up, and then you become really invaluable to any employer. One of the key things that when you are in college that I didn't know is build your network. So network of people that you can reach out to when you need help, right? And that comes when you start creating things, when you start contributing back to the society or to any community. When you start giving, you start building your own network.